Imagine having an AI assistant that can automate tasks, analyze data, and even provide personalized recommendations, all tailored to your unique needs and industry. But what if you could take it a step further and train a custom AI on your own data without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that, using free methods that are trending right now in the AI community. To start, you'll need a dataset that's relevant to your industry or business. This could be anything from customer feedback to sales data, or even social media posts. The key is to have a consistent format and enough data to train a reliable model. For example, let's say you're a marketing manager for an e-commerce company, and you want to train an AI to predict customer churn. You could collect data on customer purchases, complaints, and reviews, and then use that data to train a model. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need. In this example, we'll be using Google Colab, a free platform that offers access to a range of